Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the company Fluent Technologies. They have only 41 reviews on Glassdoor. They have a 3.5 out of 5-star rating. As always, I will leave this Glassdoor page with the job page if you're interested in applying, linked down in the YouTube description box below this video. One thing I want to quickly ask, I try to make these videos as helpful as I can for you by getting straight into the job lead and not wasting your time, and providing the link straight to the application page in the YouTube description box without having to go to any other websites. But if you have any other suggestions on things I could improve on or do differently that would make these videos more helpful for you, please let me know down below in the comments. I am looking to help better this channel and make it as helpful to you as I can. But with that being said, today's job lead is going to be a customer service job lead. I know a lot of you are looking for non-phone, but there are some of you that do like customer service, so I try to share a little bit of everything. Fluent is hiring a Tier 2 customer support representative. This is remote for my United States folks only. But Fluent is a software as a service company. They look to automate how businesses communicate with their customers, and so thousands of businesses across the country have replaced their old legacy phone systems with Fluent modern cloud-based communications platform. Their apps enable support, sales, and other professionals to deliver that great customer service from any location. So they are looking for someone to help work the front lines of their client communications, providing tech support to the customers. They say this is not a volume-driven metrics crazy call center. They really want you to provide the best support and not worry about rushing through. You'll be doing inbound phone support, email support, chat support, help desk tech support, and you'll be active involving in ongoing training. So you'll be working all different kinds of communication lines. They are looking for someone who has a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. Someone who has at least 2 years experience in customer service, customer-facing role, someone who has experience in a high-volume contact center. Of course, you have to have previous experience working from home, be able to work from home, have a great attitude, enjoy working with people over the phone, email, and live chat. They really just want somebody who has a passion for that customer service. Now, if this sounds like something for you, they're paying $19.50 an hour. On top of that, they're providing you a Mac computer to work with and a home office stipend for anything else you need for your home office. They do also offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.